Yeah, Sergeant, let's get it. I'ma let these birds fly. I'ma let these birds fly. I ain't Mike Tyson, but I'ma let these birds fly. I'ma let these birds fly. I'ma let these birds fly. I ain't Mike Tyson, but I'm about to let these birds fly. I'ma 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 let these birds fly. I ain't Mike Tyson. Niggas better stop playing, get your ass hit quick. Young niggas stay with an infrared beam shit. Better stop playing with me, I got your bitch on my dick. Little fit, little whip, got me switching different lanes. Lame ass nigga, you a lemon and you plain Jane. Better stop playing with me, bitch, I'm 10 toes down. Bitch, I'm getting money, boy. I'ma let these birds fly. I'ma let these birds fly. I ain't Mike Tyson, but I'ma let these birds fly. I'ma let these birds fly. I'ma let these birds fly. I ain't Mike Tyson, but I'm about to let these birds fly. I'ma 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 let these birds fly. Niggas better quit playing with me, never been no joke. I'm something like a king, better get a president. Young soldier get money, come hit on your residence. Young niggas count cash, yeah, that's about it. And I'm making way more than fucking profit. Lame nigga better stop playing, get crucifixed. Been a real nigga, I don't play that shit, but I'm on my shit like toilet paper is. Everything I got is everything you wish for. A brand new car, that's something you could not afford. Badass bitch with me, something you could not ignore. Try to run up, you gon' put to sleep in your store. Let these birds fly, I'ma let these birds fly. Mike Tyson, but I'm about to let these birds fly. I'ma let these birds fly. I'ma let these birds fly. I ain't Mike Tyson, but I'm about to let these birds fly. I'ma 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 let these birds fly. Sergeant, we in this bitch. Nigga, you already know what time it is with me. Period. Nat 37, stand up.